Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can pin any conversation or an account in Google Chat. For example, you have a lot of friends or you chatted with a lot of people on your Google Chat, but you will see that there is some account is so important for you. That's why uh, you have to take those account in the top part in your screen. Then you can pin those account, then you can easily find them. So for example, you can say I have two account here, I have two friends here, but I wanna pin someone, uh, like the first one or the second one. Then I will long press on that and hold that, and then I'll see the pin appear here. This one pin, simply click on pin. When you click on pin, then you can see here on this account now into the top part on your screen. Then you can easily enter, and you can easily send a message or call or anything. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.